Hello and welcome, your community, to this very little, quick, and practical review of my new washing machine. My washing machine is very little and it's very practical to have if you have no enough space or room at your apartment, or if you simply just don't want to have like a huge dedicated space just for washing your clothes. So let me give you a closer look. One sec. Okay, great. So what you need to know about the washing machine, I hope that you're having a better look from this point of view. A few quick things that you need to know about the washing machine. It's very, very small. The washing machine has two different panels. This one is for the washing process, and this one is for the drying, spinning process. Okay, it's not like a 100% dry, just spinning and getting the water off of the clothes. So it's quite good. It's very, very strong. You can easily wash your clothes if you want to wash as well your blankets, your pillows. It's very useful. I mean, I'm talking about small pillows and not heavy blankets, So it's very good. It's quite strong as well. Anyway, I'll do a demonstration of how it works, because when my husband and I were trying to find a very good, affordable / small and portable and practical washing machine, it was really hard to find a good review of a washing machine. We just found like a German couple that they were talking about the same washing machine. I feel like I've been saying washing machines like 100 times, but yeah. Basically, that's why I'm doing this in English. I speak Spanish, probably you can tell. So yeah, let me show it for you. One fun fact about this beautiful washing machine is that this is intended for camping. Okay, you can easily grab it at your camper and wash when you are outdoors. But it's also a very good option if you want just simply to have a practical and small and portable washing machine. We don't have a washing machine at our apartment and at the apartment that we rent, so that's why we looked for an affordable and good option so we can wash our clothes, because it should be a human right. Okay, so let me show for you how it works, how we use it, and so you can see that it actually washes the clothing correctly. Okay. The capacity is for 3.5 kilograms, so this is just a part of the capacity of the washing machine. I don't have more dirty clothes to show you guys, and this is the only time that I can do this review. So yeah, let's start washing this, and let me show you how it works. The first thing that you need to do, actually, it has like here's like an inlet where you can like a pipeline to add the water. But since we do not have the mechanism, because the apartment is very short, I have the shower here. So basically, I just grab the shower stuff and fill this panel with water. Okay, so yeah, it has as well like one of clothes that you're washing is like low, medium, high. So here's a line where you can tell that, and you need to fill with water till that level, depending on the quantity of clothes that you're washing. Okay, so since this is a very, very small washing, I will use the low level. Okay, let me fill it out with water. One sec. Okay, filling it out with water. Important thing that you need to know. Oh God, making closer. Okay, so important thing that you need to know. Here's like the washing control. Here's like the washing selector if you need to wash like normal, or if you need to wash like something delicate, if you're washing underwear, like etc. And then if you spin to the right, you'll see here the drain selector. If you spin here to the drain part, you will need to move this water output to somewhere you can easily put the water on and throw the water. So while you are filling the washing panel, you need to select the type of washing that you need to have. So you will use normal, or you will use soft, whatever you're washing. Okay. And the next thing, well, anyway, I'm going to show it once I finish the washing part and go to the spinning part. Here you will have the spinning selector. This is basically like a timer. As it is the washing selector, it's a timer as well. You can select if you want to wash the clothes is for 3, 6, 9, 12 minutes, etc. And here is the spin selector as well. Same function, it's just a timer, okay? And then we'll be adding the soap in the layer softener, okay? It's like a 2-part thing while we're washing, and then you go to the spinning part. It's like a 3-part process if you're adding softener to the clothes. All right, so I just added the soap right now. Let's select the time that we want to wash our clothes. Let's start with 12 minutes. And this is the part that we were looking the most with my husband. It's like how hard the spin on the washing panel was, because depending on, like the harder the better, LOL. So it actually washes very well your clothes. I know it's like a very small wash, but anyway, it's quite useful if you're looking for something practical and something that you can place in your tiny apartment, which is my case. All right, so I basically just set up, there's a little hose there so you can flow off the water, okay? So I literally just adjust the water thing to make it flow better. And I will start switching the clothes to the spinner / dryer panel. There you go. Right, let me close here. One very important step that you need to know is that this small lid is very important so you can dry everything correctly. You need to put the lid, it sounds like a very hard work. You need to put the lid over your clothes and just push it a little, okay? Like this, so you make sure that it's well pressed. It is not going to fly off whenever you turn the spinner on. All right, so now let's select the time, how many minutes we want this to spin in order to dry everything correctly. Okay, so another fun fact that is very good is that if you open the spinner drying panel while it's functioning, it will immediately stop because it considers that it's probably dangerous for you to insert your hand while it's functioning. So that's why it has like some sort of emergency stop when you open the lid, okay? And yeah, that would be it. This is how it functions. I want to show you like the final result because with 2 minutes you can get your clothes very, very well dried. So then I just take them off and I use my garden to let the sun finish the work, okay? So yeah, that will be it. I will be showing you the final result. Okay, great. So this is the final result. As you can see, clothes are very, very well dried. The spinning mode is quite good, quite efficient, honestly. You see? Okay, so that will be it. This is my review. Hope it's useful if anyone is trying to find a practical, affordable, space-saving washing machine. Thank you.